First, take out of all items from the package. The package includes manual, monitor, U bracket, solar backup camera, cigarette lighter adapter, Type-C power cable, USB power cord, charger, antenna, screws and 3M sticker. Install 2 of the antennas to the monitor at the same time. Install the third antenna to the camera. Pick up the 3M sticker. Tear off the 3M sticker. Paste it to the bottom of the U-shaped bracket. Tear off the other 3M sticker and install it on the dashboard. After adjusted the angle, tighten the screws. The camera is magnetic and can be easily installed at a suitable location on the vehicle. The camera angle can be flexibly adjusted. Tear off the protective film on the camera before use. There is a protective film on the screen. When it is scratched and affects use, you can pull up the green label and tear it off. Pick up cigarette lighter adapter. Connect one end of the cigarette lighter adapter to the monitor. Insert the cigarette lighter into the cigarette lighter outlet. Press the red button. The red button lights up. The monitor lights up and the image appears on the screen. Pick up the USB power cord. Connect one end of the USB power cable to the monitor. Plug the USB connector of the power cord into the charger. The monitor lights up and the image appears on the screen. There is a power button on the USB power cord. Press it to turn off the monitor. Press the power button again to turn on the monitor. Now it's Cam 2 channel. Touch the second key to enter the menu mode. Touch the third key to enter the pairing countdown. Press the power button on the side of the camera to turn on the camera. The indicator light on. An image appears on the screen, indicating successful pairing. Tear off the protective film on the camera before use. Touch the first button to turn off on the screen. Touch the fifth or sixth key to quickly adjust the brightness. Long press the third key to turn on the guideline. When the guideline appears on the screen, long touch the fourth key, the V appear on the screen. Touch the fifth or sixth keys to adjust the height of the guideline. Touch the fourth key, the H appear on the screen. Touch the fifth or sixth keys to moving the guideline left or right. Touch the fourth key, the W will appear on the screen. Touch the fifth or sixth keys to adjust the width of the guideline. Touch the second key to enter the menu mode. Touch the fifth, sixth keys to switch to the picture. Touch the third key to confirm. Touch the third key, the icon turns red. Touch the fifth, sixth keys to adjust the brightness. Touch the third key to confirm. Touch the fifth, sixth keys to switch to the contrast. Touch the third key to confirm. Touch the fifth, sixth keys to adjust the contrast. Touch the third key to confirm. Touch the fifth, sixth keys to switch to the HUE. Touch the third key to confirm. Touch the fifth, sixth keys to adjust the HUE. Touch the third key to confirm. Touch the second key to return to the previous interface. Touch the fifth, sixth keys to switch to the mirror flip. Touch the third key to confirm. Touch the fifth or sixth keys to select the mode you want. Touch the second key to return to the previous interface. Touch the fifth, sixth keys to switch to the mode. Touch the third key to confirm. You can choose the split mode you need. Touch the second key to return to the previous interface. Touch the fifth, sixth keys to switch to the CM setup. Touch the third key to confirm. You can turn the camera channel on or off. Touch the second key to return to the previous interface. Touch the fifth, sixth keys to switch to the system. Touch the third key to confirm. You can set the system time, language, turn on off the guideline and default. Touch the second key to return to the previous interface. Turn off the monitor's power. Use tools to loosen screws. Open the buckle. Insert the SD card into the monitor. Close the card cover and tighten the screws. Turn on the monitor's power. The red dot flashes to indicate recording is taking place. After inserting the SD, there will be a memory card icon in the upper right corner of the display. Touch the fifth or sixth keys to switch to the play. Touch the third key to confirm. Touch the fifth or sixth keys to select the folder you need. Touch the third key to confirm. Touch the fifth or sixth keys to select the video to watch. Touch the third key to confirm. Touch the third key to return to the main menu interface. Touch the fifth or sixth keys to switch to the record. Touch the third key to confirm. You can turn on off the rewrite function, format the SD card and set the recording duration. After a few seconds, the system automatically exits menu mode. When the indicator light on the side of the camera flashes, it means the camera is charging. The camera supports solar charging. When the weather is sunny, the camera will automatically enter the charging STA. The camera enters charging status and the indicator light flashes TE. When it is not sunny, the camera will not charge with solar energy and the indicator light will not flash. You can check the battery status of the camera by watching the indicator light turn on. Press the power button to turn off the camera. The camera indicator light will not light up. The monitor will also enter the no signal interface. Press the power button to turn on the camera. The indicator light turns on and the image appears on the screen. You can also charge the camera by using the Type-C power cable. plug one end of the Type-C power cord into the charging plug. There is a Type-C charging socket on the side of the camera. Connect the other end of the Type-C power cable to the camera. Insert the charging plug into the power outlet. The camera enters charging status and the indicator light flashes. The camera will not stop working during charging, and you can turn off the camera when you take it home to charge. Please note, when you are not using it, please turn off the camera in time to prevent the battery from running out. Pick up the camera. When the camera is in charging status, the indicator light turns blue. Press the button on the remote control. The red light of the camera will light up. Press the button on the remote control again and the camera's blue light will come on. There are two status lights on the top of the remote control. Press button on the remote control. The red indicator light blinks once. The camera will turn off and there will be no image on the monitor. Press button again on the remote control. The blue indicator light blinks once. The camera will turn on and the image will appear on the display. The red indicator light is on when the camera is working. Blue indicator lights up when the camera is turned off.